Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Okay, I'm no artist, maybe not a 2D artist. I used to work in the VFX industry and I've worked on tons of Hollywood visual effects shots. But one thing I can't do is maybe draw too well, but normal drawings I do moderately well. So in order to fuel the artistic fire in me, I purchased the XP-PEN Deco 1 V2. So let's check it out. So here's the box, quite nicely designed. The brand we have here is XP-PEN, and they've been making drawing tablets for years now and have made a great name for themselves in that space. The model we have is the Deco 01 version 2. On the back we have the specifications such as the size of the active drawing area, which is 10 by 6.25, which is a decently large size for the price. 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, which allows for control on the thickness and opacity of the lines as per the software you're using. Let's open the box, shall we? Do I open it up or slide the box out? Each unboxing is different, with every manufacturer choosing a different box style. Okay, this one slides out. Wow, I'm just loving this blue tone. The box has a flap which flips open. Let me turn that around. We have the XP-PEN mascot sticker on the protective film, listing the customer care timings and their email ID. Let's keep the main tablet to the side and check out what else is in the box. Everything is neatly laid out. First, we have this protective film so that the main tablet doesn't get scratched after long use. Here is the pen. It looks like most Steli I've used before. We have the XP-PEN branding on the end. We have no eraser on the pen, but the button in the front can be programmed to toggle between drawing and eraser mode. Here's the pen stand. Quite nice, with a little weight to it to stay put in place. Below the base, we have the nib removal tool to be able to change nibs when it doesn't feel right anymore. Here's how the pen would sit in the stand. It can be placed vertically or horizontally. Next, we have the USB-C cable, warranty cards, and manuals. The USB cable has an angled USB-C connector, which makes it easy to connect the cable to the tablet without having much protruding off it. Also provided are USB adapters to convert between USB-A to USB-C and micro USB. This allows connecting the tablet to a mobile device such as a phone or a tablet. We also have an included anti-fouling glove, which helps reduce friction while drawing on the tablet. In traditional art, it was used to not foul up or smudge when drawing with traditional mediums such as graphite. This glove can also protect against stain marks from sweat, dirt, grease, and food chunks. We have a quick start guide, links to the drivers and manuals, a warranty card, and a thank you card. Now for the tablet. It looks quite premium for the price, considering it's competing with the big boys in the tablet space. We have this little tab which helps peel off the protective layer of the tablet. The markings on the face indicate the drawing area. We have shortcut buttons on the side. You can customize them using the tablet software available. Removing the protector, we can see that the tablet has a nice matte finish. We have the USB-C port here. Glad that it's USB-C. Nothing else much on the sides. On the bottom we have rubber feet to keep it in one place and not move while working. The bottom feels textured, maybe for better grip when used in the hand. The stand holds the extra pen tips if you need to change it. Twist to open, and here they are. 8 of them are within, plus one more already on the pen. This is how it looks. Also, what I liked about this pen is that it's battery free. So no hunting or charging the pen, all you need is to power the tablet and you're off. The tablet also has lighting on the corners of the drawing area. This helps with drawing even when the lights are off. You can see them quite clearly. Let's connect it to the PC. Downloading and installing the drivers gives us the customization options via the software. Mac, Windows, and Linux drivers are available. Install the drivers and we are ready to go. Each corner marking corresponds to an edge on the monitor, so it feels like you're actually drawing on screen. Here I have Photoshop open. Let's test the tablet. Look at the changes in the width of the lines, which is dependent on the pressure I am drawing with. We can also have the opacity of the lines to change according to the pressure, which is good for painting. A light flick would look like this, and a definite press makes the line look like this. The pressure sensitivity is 8192 levels, so it would provide a lot of precision. The cursor moves when we have the pen at a small distance around 8 to 10 mm away from the tablet. Only when you press on the tablet does it register a click. This allows for mouse gestures, move the cursor and tap on the tablet to click. Let's check out the buttons on the side. These are the default settings on the express buttons. K1 opens the tablet settings, K2 is equivalent to the Alt key on the keyboard, K3 is space, K4 is Ctrl Z to undo any mistakes, K5 and K6 are zoom in and zoom out, K7 is brush, and K8 is eraser. These buttons are provided so that you don't have to shift between the tablet and the keyboard for app shortcuts, increasing your productivity. If you don't like the default button functions, you can customize it to anything you want. I found the pen to work well and deliver on all the promises that were made on the box. Well, that was the unboxing and the review of the XP-PEN Deco 1 V2 drawing tablet. Hope the video helped you answer the questions that you had on the product. But if you still have some questions, write into tech@talkingstuff.net or WhatsApp us at 96525 78833. Also make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.